Welcome to the Hankels and McCoy Safety Handbook video learning series. Today we're going to talk about driving safely at Hankels and McCoy. At Hankels and McCoy, driving safely is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 basic safe driving skills you need to master. Number 1, no tailgating. Number 2, stay back when stopped. Number 3, first move forward. And number 4, no distractions. Did you know at Hankels and McCoy the top 3 vehicle crashes, which account for 60% of all crashes, occur from rear-end collisions due to tailgating, side swipes, and crashes at intersections? Fortunately, all of these crashes are 100% preventable. So let's get started by looking at the Safety Handbook. The written rules are listed in Part 2, Vehicle and Equipment Operation. See Section 1.1, Driver Responsibilities. In Section 1.1.2.1, No Tailgating, a safe following distance shall be maintained based on your vehicle length. There's a 2-second minimum and an extra second for every 10 feet of vehicle length, or if there's inclement weather. This chart shows the vehicle type, length, and number of seconds you should stay behind. Note, the greater the vehicle length, the further you should stay back. There are several ways to calculate safe following distance. First, as the vehicle in front of you passes a fixed object, perhaps a sign, a bridge, or a line in the road, use a stopwatch and keep track of how many seconds it takes you to pass the same fixed point. It should be about 2 seconds, more if your vehicle is longer or there's bad weather. A second technique is to start counting 1001, 1002, from the time the vehicle in front of you passes the fixed object until the moment you reach the same fixed object. Adjust your speed to manage this space. A third way to assure safe driving distances is to know your miles per hour and the number of car lengths. So at 35 miles per hour, you should be approximately 7 car lengths back, or 103 feet. And for 55 miles per hour, you should be 11 car lengths back, or 162 feet. Let's recap. See how the drivers are too close? Always keep a safe following distance by maintaining a 2-second space between you and the car in front of you, approximately 11 car lengths back at 55 miles per hour. So remember, no tailgating. It prevents rear-end collisions. Now let's look at safe driving skill set number 2. It starts with staying back when stopped. First, start by looking ahead 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for stopped traffic, such as construction zones or vehicle crashes. Stay back at least 1 car length when you are stopped in traffic and at intersections. If struck from behind by another vehicle, you will avoid being pushed into the car in front of you. Always stay back 1 car length when you're at an intersection. Let the intersection clear by waiting 3 seconds before proceeding into the intersection. That's the danger zone. Check your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. Always make all attempts to be seen and be predictable. Good. Ready for safe driving skill set number 3? First move forward. There are 3 basic things that you do. Pull through if you can to avoid backing up. Back into a parking space, but be aware of your surroundings. Pull in front first as your last resort. Always refer to the Safety Handbook for more information. The last safe driving skill set number 4 is no distractions. The first priority in safe driving is not being distracted. Every driver must be knowledgeable and follow the Hankels and McCoy policy for mobile electronic devices. Stated simply, cell phones may be used only hands-free, and texting or emailing while driving is strictly prohibited. So let's review. Our 4 basic skill sets at Hankels and McCoy are no tailgating, stay back when stopped, first move forward, and no distractions. So please do your part, follow the rules, and look out for one another. Remember, nobody gets hurt.